In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the settings in your Shopify account to update and manage your store plan. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you understand how to make these changes step by step. To get started first, let's navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Open your browser and go to the Shopify admin dashboard for your specific store. This will be your central hub for managing your store, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area. Once you're in, you'll see a multitude of options on the left-hand side of the screen, making it easy to navigate to different sections of your store. Now, focus your attention on finding the Settings option. It's located at the bottom of the left side menu. Click on it and you'll open a page that contains an array of settings you can adjust for your store. This section effectively acts as the brain of your Shopify store, where you can tailor various options to best fit your business needs. Within the Settings page, direct yourself to the Payments section. By clicking on Payments, you'll open a new menu where you can configure how you receive payments from customers. Here, you can add or remove payment methods, check your payout schedule, and make sure everything related to transactions runs smoothly. It's crucial to periodically review this area to ensure your payment methods are current and secure. Once you've explored the Payments section, our next point of focus is the Plan section. Return to the main settings page and click on Plan. This will show you the details regarding the specific plan you're subscribed to, including billing information and the features available to you. You can explore different plan options here and understand which one aligns best with the growth stage of your business. It's beneficial to weigh the features against your needs to ensure a perfect fit as your store evolves. Finally, if you ever need to cancel a plan, the option to do so is conveniently located within the same Plan section. Look for the Cancel Plan option, which will guide you through the process of discontinuing your current subscription. It's important to note that canceling a plan is a significant decision, so ensure that you back up any essential information or data before proceeding. There you have it, a straightforward path to managing some of the essential aspects of your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can ensure your store runs efficiently, and you are equipped to make the necessary changes to adapt to your growing business needs. Thank you for watching and happy selling!